Bruce here from Bruce Fixes Stuff, and see, I fix stuff. And for those of you who remember the videos where we pulled the engine out of the Trans Am, that 79 black Smoking the Bandit style kind of sort of Trans Am, today we are at the point where we're getting it loaded up on the trailer, ready to take it to the rebuilder to get rebuilt. So I have the cherry picker in the back, and we're just heading over to the house where the Trans Am is at. Gonna pick up the engine, put it in the back of the trailer, and send it off to be rebuilt, and we'll be coming back to this once we get it back from the rebuilder.
He's got the tools and he's got the tricks. Every little problem Bruce can fix. Like and subscribe, give Bruce a high five. Tune in each week to keep your hopes alive. Click that button, let's make it thrive. Fix it with Bruce, man, it's a vibe.
Well, this baby's going to be coming out of here, and that is going into here, so it can go to be rebuilt. That's pretty good.
What, you need the chain on it?
No, I might need the chain. I might need the chain, and they might get it mixed up with their stuff, so let's not play around. And now there's the engine in the trailer. We just gotta strap it down, make sure it ain't gonna go anywhere until it gets where we want it to go.
Oh yeah, that's pretty well good, right dead center.
Yeah. You don't want it too far forward or too far back, right?
Nope.
Okay. Yeah. Now that we've got that in the trailer, and that's sitting back here, and we know where it's supposed to go when we get it back because the sign says engine, insert engine here. So, I think we're pretty good to go here. Well, now the engine is in the trailer. Rod's going to take it down to the engine rebuilder Monday morning, tomorrow, and send it down to be rebuilt. Getting a full rebuild done, I won't see it again until it comes back. So for now, this is Bruce from Bruce Fixes Stuff, and even though I'm not really fixing stuff today, we're getting it set off to be fixed. So that sort of counts, right? All right. We've got the engine back from the rebuilder. We've got the detailed instructions. What could go wrong? I'm okay. I'm feeling motivated to get this done.
Once you get her to a point, just let me know and I'll roll ahead out of the way.
That's the plan. The motor mounts back on and everything. Way to go, buddy.
He really did went to town, didn't he? Making life good.
He done a fine job. There we go. That's all we need. Now, before we go any farther, we'll wedge some wood in the sides. Just one of these down here. And one of these down there. And then it won't
go anywhere.
Bob's your uncle.
Yeah. Say hi.